Our theme is back pain go gone. Back pain जाना चाहिए. Prayers. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Surya Namaskar. Ready for the Surya Namaskar? Namaskara Sthiti. Inhaling, look up. Arch your back. Exhaling, bend down. Left leg back. Again arch your right leg back. Ashtanga. Shastanga. Bhujanga. Inverted V. Again left leg forward. Similarly repeat for the right hand side. We did it for the left hand side. Similarly repeat for the, you can do 3-4 times. Now this is cat, hunching cat and downward cat. Hunching cat, downward cat. Okay, this helps for the movement of the body, particularly the back. Now this is butterfly. You can just relax the muscles. Back should be straight. Ensure that always while sitting, back should be always straight. This is main issue. Now we'll do belly. Okay. Lift the this is one leg 30 degree. Take 5 breaths comfortably. Now you can repeat for the other leg also. Now in another, raise the one leg and support it with the other to 45 to 70-80 degree. Okay. Now this is 30 degree Bhujangasana. Nice arch to the back. You can see here. Then full Bhujangasana. Full Bhujangasana. Breathe 5 times. Now this is Karakati Bhujangasana. Your hands are on the kar, that is on the feet. This is Chakrasana. Okay. Comfortably steady. Don't be in hurry. Comfortably just relax now. Take breaths in between. This is called Niralambhasana. Niralambhasana. Okay, this is very good for the back pain. Excellent for the back pain, and also it helps some to the digestion. But our focus is back pain. Now relax in the crocodile mudra. This is Namaskara or the Sharanagati mudra. Okay. While doing yoga, ensure that you are not operated and major operation. This is the Vajrasan, different kind of Vajrasan, or they called a child's pose. Relaxation. Now we'll do some asanas on the supine position, that is sleeping on the back. Now here just relax for 5 deep breath. Now one leg 30 degree. You can repeat to other leg. Take both legs again 30 degree. You can take hands and leg again to 45 degree or 30 degree. Now this is Pavana Muktasan. One leg Pavana Muktasan and 2 leg Pavana Muktasan. Breathe nicely, comfortably. 5 times breathing. All the gases and air will go out. Be comfortable, let it go out. Now this is the shoulder asana. Be stable, be comfortable. There is nothing perfect stage. There is nothing perfect asana. Make sure your body, you are not overstretching it. Okay. Now, be relaxed. And this is the bridge pose. Bridge pose. Relax and breathe 5 times comfortably. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. This is called the Matsya Asana. This is counter for the bridge pose and the shoulder asana. Counter pose. Counter pose is very important because your neck was a little stiffened. Now it will get relaxed. Now, this is, now we'll see very interesting for the back pain. This is called a full reverse chakrasana, or you can say full bridge. Yeah, this is very, very excellent. Do be careful. You can do it comfortably, relaxedly. This helps a lot. In 28 days, the back pain will go fully. It is guaranteed. Ensured. 100%. Now just be relaxed. Relax. 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 Just be relaxed. No tension. No worries. Whole body parts. Slowly concentrate on one body part and make it relax. Come on the left hand side. Make the pillow. On the left hand side again. Breathe comfortably, deeply. Take the support of right hand and come up. Again, end with the prarthana. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Ensure that with this, you do it regularly, your back pain will 100%